Hello, I'm Byron Davies, one of two Welsh Conservative Assembly members for South Wales West, covering the areas of Aberavon, Bridgend, Gower, Neath, Ogmore and Swansea. I was born and raised in Gower and went to Nelson County Primary School and Gowerton Boys Grammar School. I then started a long-standing career as a police officer in London. During my time as a senior detective, I served in the UK National Crime Squad and more recently as an advisor on combating organised crime for the European Union, based in Eastern Europe. Alongside my role in representing the people of South Wales West, I am Shadow Minister for Transport and Regeneration and a whip for the Welsh Conservatives. This is a role I feel very passionate about. There can be no bigger issue for us to tackle in the National Assembly than connecting Wales. There is no doubt we need better connections between the communities of North, South, East and West. These roles complement my membership of the Enterprise and Business Committee, a role I also relish. We hold the Welsh Government to account and ensure the Government is delivering for the Welsh people. Outside of Cardiff Bay, I regularly meet businesses, charities and other organisations on a weekly basis. I like to think that I'm a politician that thrives on meeting people and engaging with new ideas and suggestions. Please do feel free to contact the office on any issue at any time. Thank you.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.